Today, we are learning about central tendency. Central tendency probably doesn't ring a bell to you, but what it is will. The central tendency is the mean, median, mode, and range of a set of data. The mean is the average. To find the average, you will add all the numbers and then divide by how many numbers there are. The median is the middle number. You have to put numbers in order from least to greatest to find the middle number. The mode is the number that occurs the most. And the range is the highest number minus the lowest number. For example 1, here's my set of data. To find the mean, I take all of these numbers and I add them together. $398. Then I'm going to divide 398 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I take 398 and I divide by 7. And I should get 56.9. That is the mean of my data. To find the median, I now have to take all of my numbers and put them in order from least to greatest. So my smallest number, 52, 54, 56, 58, 58, 2 58s, and 2 60s. I'm running out of room. Okay, now to find the middle number, I cross until I get to the middle. So I'm going to cross out the smallest, cross out the largest, cross the next smallest, the next largest, and so forth until I get to the middle number. So the median of this data set is 58. The mode is the number that occurs the most. You see how I have 2 58s and 2 60s? So the mode is 58 and 60. For the range, I take the highest number, which is 60, and I subtract the lowest number, which is 52. 60 minus 52 is 8. Example 2. Do the same thing. Take all my numbers, add them together. So I get 125, and then I take 125 and I divide it by how many numbers are in my data set. 1, you have to include 0 even though it's a 0. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I divide it by 8, and 125 divided by 8 is going to give me 15.6. So the average is 15.6. Next, when I find the median, I have to make sure my numbers are in order from least to greatest. So 0, then I have a 5, then I have a 9, 11, 15, then 17, then 18, then 50. So to find the middle number, I cross out numbers until I get to the middle one. Well, in this case, I have 2 that are in the middle. So I take those 2 and I add them together. 11 plus 15 is 26, and then I divide it by 2, and 26 divided by 2 is 13. So my median is 13. Mode is the number that occurs the most. Does anything occur twice? No. If that is the case, the mode is none. It is not 0 because 0 is an actual number. Then I take my biggest number, which is 50, and I subtract my smallest number. And 50 minus 0 is 50. Okay, again, first thing I need to do is I need to add these test scores. Okay, and I should get 770. And now there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I take 770 and I divide it by 9. And I should get 85.6 for the average of those scores. Next, I need to put my numbers in order from least to greatest. So, smallest number is 74. Ooh, no, it is 56. And then 74. And then I have an 80. I have an 85. And I have an 88. I have a 92. I have a 95. And I have 2 100s. Okay, the median number, I start crossing things out till I get to the middle number. So my median of this should be 88. The mode, the number that occurs the most, I have 2 100s, so the mode is 100. And the range, I take 100, subtract 56, and 100 minus 56 is 44. So the range is 44. Okay, number 4 says, what is the median? That's all I have to find is the median. So I need to put these numbers in order from least to greatest to find the median. So my smallest number is, looks like it's 33. And then I have a 34. And I have a 35. 36. 37. 2 38s. I have a 40, and I have a 41. Okay, then I cross my numbers out until I get to the middle. Okay, it looks like the median of these numbers is 37. The mean, what is the mean of the following set of data? So I take all my numbers and I add them together. Now, remember, when you are adding decimals, the decimals need to line up. When you put your decimal in your answer, you bring it straight down. Okay, when I add those three numbers, I should get 55.2. Then I take 55.2 and I divide it by 3. I should get 18.4 as the mean. And the last one, what is the mode for the following set of data? So go ahead and on mode, again, put them in order from least to greatest so you can see all of the numbers that you are dealing with. 2. Looks like 48 is going to come next. Oh, got another 48 and another 48. Okay, looks like I got 2 60s. I got an 80 and 2 84s. Okay, so in this case, I see several numbers twice, 21, 60, and 84. But here, I see 48 3 times. So that number occurs the most, so the mode of this would be 48. It happens 3 times while the others just happen twice.